Welcome, day 6 of the Mindfulness and Meditation Challenge. Today, I'm inviting you to do the practice standing up. If for some reason you can't do it standing up, you can sit down, and then if you will feel like you have that flexibility, you can get up in the future. We will be doing a heart breath meditation today, and at the end, there will be an opportunity for you to journal or to play your favorite song and to move with that. So let's get to the standing position. I am already. And just start feeling the feet, specifically as they are touching the floor. You don't have to be fixed. You can, allow some gentle movement, just what's naturally coming. You can bring your eyes to close so that you have more of your awareness going inward. Just feeling your feet very grounded on the floor. Feeling your legs strong and flexible. Your knees are slightly soft. And maybe you can already add a little more movement. Your thighs and your hips. Flexible, strong. Your lower belly is relaxed. Your chest and your shoulders are open and moved back. Maybe bring a gentle stretch. It's 6 a.m. for me, so I can do my morning stretch, but it's always a good time. Right now, we're just preparing the body. And when you're ready, bring your awareness into the heart center. And what we're going to do is we will continuously do the same thing. And it's important to stick with it and to do it for a while to feel any result, to feel any benefit. So we'll be inhaling through the nostrils with our mouth closed and exhaling through the heart center as we're imagining that there is a mouth at the heart center and we're exhaling through the heart. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the heart while keeping your mouth wide open. Every exhale is with a wide open mouth, but you're also seeing and feeling like if it's coming from the heart. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the heart. For those who are not used to hearing the voice or looking different ways, then you may feel awkward of doing this, opening your mouth wide, but that's what we are working on. We're working on breaking through all of those, I don't even know what to call them, belief systems that are just like, why? That's you, that's your voice, know yourself. So let's do this. Let's do this for a few cycles. You do it at your own pace. And then I'll add some additional guidance with that. And feel free, as you can see, I'm shifting my weight from one leg to another. It just kind of adds a little bit of this movement that brings me into this place almost of I'm in the zone, like I'm just kind of like in my body, and my body is just doing what it needs. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth with a big ha. You can do what I do with my hands, kind of directing the energy, creating this circulation. Inhale through the nose, bringing the oxygen and the air through the heart out, and you feel like with every breath you're cleansing this passage of your throat and of your chest and of your heart, and exhaling any gunk, any stuck emotion, any insecurity, any grief through the heart, whatever will be rising. Inhale. All awareness on your inhale and your exhale. On your body sensations in those areas. On your feelings and emotions that may be rising. As we do this for long enough, we start activating all energies that have been stuck in our throat and chest area, that eventually kind of keeping us closed, keeping us reserved and unable to express our voice, unable to speak vulnerably and be seen in this vulnerable state. So through doing this cleansing practice, we are allowing ourselves that new sense of purity. Keep doing the breathing. A few more cleansing breaths. And now start feeling how with every exhale, the purity of your heart is spreading, and feeling your energy field. All the space in and around you is starting to fill with this purity of the heart, with this heart-centered energy. And your energy field is this sort of like ball of light that this big everywhere to, the length of your arms. Start feeling this up with this heart energy. And with the help of your hands, you may even start directing the energy into specific places where you feel like you need more of that. Maybe you feel like there's a hole in your energy field, or you feel a little clutter or numbness or stuckness, and you just direct the energy in those places by bringing your hands there. Or not, you can just continue doing the first breathing if it's hard for you to imagine or to sense or feel anything. That's okay too, it comes with time. A few more breaths like this. Come into your final exhale. Bringing your right hand on your heart and your left hand on your womb, on your lower belly. And just pausing, bringing your awareness into the sensations in the body, restoring the normal breath in and out through your nostrils. Or something else if that feels more important. And just noticing the change that has been created. Maybe some tingling sensations, some vibrations or heat in the body or any emotion. Any stiffness in your body. So before I sign out, what I'm inviting you to do is to either continue with observing the sensations and the emotions in the body, specifically going to places that feel that there is some sort of turmoil. Even if this practice brought some resistance in you, some judgment or anything that you feel like you don't like about this, notice and just bringing your awareness into the emotion. That's really important. It's saying something. And then you can bring yourself to either move with your favorite song and mindfully moving your body, expressing this emotion through the movement, or you can write in a journal to help yourself process whatever there is. No judgment, no criticism, no shame. So this is for you to choose, and I hope you continue to make this practice complete on your own. Thank you.